Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing what the microphone hears. Place a directional mic close to the sound source, roughly 6-12 inches away, and point its nulls toward noise. Once placed, lower gain so peaks sit near -12 decibels. This prevents preamp hiss and clipping. Record a 10 to 15 second room tone sample before you speak. This captures the exact background for later removal. Make sure cables are secure and phantom power is correct if using a condenser, then move to controlled recording. You now focus on stopping noise while recording. Fit a shock mount and pop filter to block handling and breath artifacts. These mechanical fixes remove many problems before software. Engage a low-cut filter around 80 to 120 Hz to drop rumble from HVAC and traffic. Monitor in closed-back headphones and listen at a comfortable level. Make adjustments to position and gain until noise is minimal. If persistent hum appears, try moving gear or changing power outlets before proceeding to editing. You finish by cleaning the track smartly. Load the room tone profile into your noise reduction tool and apply conservative reduction. Start low and increase until noise drops but voice stays natural. Use spectral editing to remove transient clicks, keyboard hits, or coughs, and follow with gentle compression and EQ to restore presence. If you hear artifacts like metallic warble, undo some reduction, try an adaptive denoise, or re-record the worst sections. Remember, prevention during recording reduces post-work dramatically, so loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.